Welcome to our comparison video of the Sole E35 versus the NordicTrack FS14i ellipticals. Stay tuned until the end to find out our verdict on which is the better option. Let's start with the main differences. The primary distinction between the Sole and NordicTrack ellipticals.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
The Sole E35 has its flywheel positioned at the front, promoting stability. Additionally, there's a notable difference in the weight of the flywheels. While the NordicTrack FS14i's flywheel weighs 20 pounds, the Sole E35's flywheel is heavier at 25 pounds, ensuring smoother and quieter operation. This makes the Sole E35 suitable for both home and commercial use, maintaining stability during intense workouts. Functionality-wise, the NordicTrack elliptical offers versatility with its design, enabling it to function as a stepper, elliptical, and treadmill through natural motion changes. It includes a 20-pound inertia flywheel positioned for advanced fitness training. On the other hand, the Sole E35, made of heavy steel, supports high user weight capacities and features multi-position hand grips for varied workouts, along with foot pedals designed to minimize ankle and knee stress. The NordicTrack FS14i stands out in functionality, accommodating multiple exercise styles, unlike the Sole E35's single workout style. Regarding screens, the Sole E35 is equipped with a 7.5-inch LCD screen, while the NordicTrack FS14i boasts a 14-inch Smart HD touchscreen with an intuitive interface and Bluetooth-enabled speakers. The NordicTrack's larger, feature-rich screen provides an immersive experience, whereas the Sole E35 includes a device holder for a tablet, catering to users who want to stream other fitness applications. The NordicTrack wins in this category due to its comprehensive screen capabilities. When it comes to incline levels, the NordicTrack offers a 10-degree incline for moderate workouts, while the Sole E35 provides 1 to 20 incline levels for more intense sessions. In terms of resistance, the NordicTrack FS14i offers 26 digital resistance levels, suitable for calorie burning, while the Sole E35 features an ECB resistance system with unlimited options, known for its silent operation and minimal maintenance. Both machines share similarities. They support up to 375 pounds of user weight, include Bluetooth speakers, and provide real-time fitness metrics on their screens. However, there are notable considerations for each. The Sole E35's cooling fan is less effective for shorter users and has only one setting, suggesting a well-ventilated workout area is necessary. The NordicTrack FS14i, while highly functional, may require users to wear appropriate training shoes to prevent slipping on the footpad. User reviews highlight that the Sole E35 offers a full-body workout, is budget-friendly, and durable but occupies significant space and can be noisy. Conversely, the NordicTrack FS14i impresses with its 3-in-1 functionality, training with iFit professionals, and overall effectiveness in providing fast fitness results. In summary, the NordicTrack FS14i is the superior elliptical due to its minimal maintenance, quiet operation, large touchscreen, and additional features like the bottle holder and transport wheels. Let us know which elliptical you found more impressive in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness equipment reviews. Thanks for watching.